Kershaw Launch Series knives are known for their snappy actions and quality construction. The Kershaw Launch 11 is a mid-size automatic knife with a futuristic look and capable design. It features a 2.75-inch drop point blade made from CPM 154 blade steel and measures in at 6.75 inches overall. The Launch 11 gets its characteristic snap from a push-button automatic action and locks securely with its integrated plunge lock. A black stonewash finish and bronze accents give the Launch 11 a handsome look and feel, while also helping it remain subtle enough for everyday carry. The Kershaw Launch 11 is made in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Kershaw 11 and click the link in the description to buy one today. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blader's Q on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.